Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter Espresso outfit in Dress to Impress. So the iconic Sabrina Carpenter Espresso look is taking over the internet, and now you can recreate it easily in DTI using only 3 items. This is how you can do it. Let's just get started. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. So here I'm using 3 hairstyles, 3 different hairstyles. First one is this wavy hair, and also this one in here combined with the bangs from this updo. For the color, I'm using this hex code. Now for the dress, you can first go to the main area here and then put on this dress, this one in here, but toggle it into top only. Here for the color, I'm going to just go with black like this. And now I'm going to also put on the skirt from the summer set, also in a black color. And you can just go in here, and now you can put on this headband right here, toggle it into type 2. This black color combined with this ribbon in here, toggle it into type 2, and also in black color, type 3 in black color. And now you can just put on these earrings for the accessory, and I'm going to wear white color. So this is the final look. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.